this segment, we'll cover the basics of connecting the CS1000 to a SeeSnake camera reel and using it to monitor and document an inspection. Once your equipment is positioned, you can connect the SeeSnake system cable to the connector on the CS1000 keyboard. We'll power the system on by pressing the power key. The CS1000 takes a minute or two to start up, and you can use this time to finish preparing for your inspection. In this example, we'll document the inspection with an auto-log recording of the complete event, and we'll document particular areas of interest with still images and video clips. We'll keep the auto-log footage for our records, and we'll use the still and video images for the customer's report. We'll export the report directly from the CS1000 onto a thumb drive for viewing on a customer's computer. When the operating screen appears, the equipment is ready for use. We're ready to begin our inspection, so we'll press the auto-log key. This creates a new job and initiates auto-logging. We want to capture an image of the access point, and we'll do that with the photo tag key so that we can enter some descriptive text. Please note that text comments can be added at the time the image is captured, or later when editing the report. To save your comments, highlight the Save icon and press the Select key. Next, we'll put the camera into the access point and drop it down to the main line. We want to begin our distance measurement from this point, so we'll hold the 0 key for about 3 seconds to zero out the distance reading. As we proceed down the line, we can document areas of interest with still images with text comments, and video clips. When capturing images with text, keep in mind that you can type in your own comments, or you can open the issue tag dialog and choose an issue tag that describes the problem. Issue tags include pre-programmed text comments, and you can use these as is or edit them to suit the situation. When we're finished with the inspection, we'll press the auto-log key to stop auto-logging. Next, we'll press the Job Review key to review the job. The Job Review screen is where we can select media elements to include in our report, play video clips and auto-log recordings, edit or add text to captured images and video, and preview the report. By default, all media elements are checked, which means they will be included in your report. To exclude an item from your report, highlight its icon and press the Select key to uncheck its box. To play an auto-log or video recording, highlight its icon. Then highlight the play icon and press the Select key to begin playback. You can pause, fast forward, or rewind by selecting an icon and pressing the Select key. To exit playback, simply scroll back to the media list. To expose the customer and job information fields, scroll to the top of the screen until these fields appear. Then scroll to the right and begin entering the information. You can enter job, customer, and inspector information, a summary of your findings, recommendations, and service quotes. We'll fill out the fields needed for this particular report and leave the rest blank. Blank fields will be excluded from the customer's report, so that it will have a polished and professional look. When we're finished, we can scroll down and save the report. The CS1000 also has a report preview function, and we can get to it by scrolling to the bottom of the media list. The preview function creates a static view of the report so that we can see it as our customer will see it. We can verify that it contains the media elements and job information we want, but we cannot edit the report or play video clips. That can only be done in the review screen. To exit the preview, press either the menu or job management keys. This takes us back to the review screen where we can make further changes or export the report. We're satisfied with the report, so we'll go ahead and export it. To export, we'll insert a USB thumb drive into one of the USB slots on the front panel. The system will read the thumb drive, and after a few moments the report browser will open. The report browser is where we can select reports to recycle, review, or export. Reports can be exported for use in SeeSnake HQ, or for viewing on a customer's computer using their web browser. We want to give the report directly to our customers, so we'll make sure it's the only report selected, and then we'll select that option. Once the report has been transferred to the thumb drive, we can click OK to exit this screen. The CS1000 will give us the option of moving the job to its recycle bin. We're not ready to delete the job just yet, so we'll cancel. Once the report has been transferred to the thumb drive, the drive can be safely unplugged. When customers plug the thumb drive into their computer, the report will open in their web browser. They can print a copy, and they can view images and video clips at their full resolution by simply clicking on them. In the past few minutes, we've taken a quick tour of the CS1000. We reviewed its features and operation, and we've seen how to document an inspection, create a report, and export the report to a thumb drive for viewing on a customer's computer. If you haven't already, be sure to read the CS1000 Operator's Manual and SeeSnake HQ documentation. These resources provide additional information that will help you get the most out of your equipment. On behalf of the entire Rigid team, thank you for buying SeeSnake equipment.